pala ng panahon. Ang bilis lang pala ng 1 year. Ang daming masayang memories.
Ayun, sobrang saya dahil ganyan, susulit namin yung pagkakataon habang maliit pa yung anak namin. I-enjoy namin bawat moments.
So ladies and gentlemen, together with Mami Kim and Daddy J, giving the round of applause for our birthday celebrator, Dear Kael!
Just hold on, you got a ways to go. Gotta hold your lives to get it right. And honey, don't be scared.
Happy birthday, Kael!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yun lang talaga.
Just begun.
Segundo, alright, segundo say happy birthday, Kael. Ready, go!
Segundo!
Ay! Hindi mo naman birthday!
Yung Dear Kael, suggestion niya ni tatay, pero yung Kael from Karen and Romel, pangalan naming dalawa.
Yung Tyr, galing isa sa Norse mythology na pangalan. Ibig sabihin, warrior.
When life is pushing.
Sinabi kong up, tatayo. Pag sinabi kong down, upo. Alright? When I said up, but you're down, you're out, okay? Down! Down, sabi ko down.
Happy birthday, Kael! Ako si Tita Ugak. Wish ko sa'yo maging healthy ka and mabuting bata. I love you, Kael!
Happy birthday, Kael! Ako si Tita Queen. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay mabait na bata. Yun lang, we love you.
Anong pangalan mo?
Chambalaba.
Oh, alright. Go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Feeling right.
I want you to bring any valid ID. Go! Galing ha? Alright, that's it.
We just begun. At a crossing.
Sobrang bilis, salamat sa Panginoon dahil biniyayaan kami ng ganyang anak. Ay, sana mapalaki namin siya ng maayos at lumaki siya ng may banal na takot sa Panginoon.
At across a bend.
Mang sa akin lang, hanggang sa paglaki niya, maging mabuting bata siya, maging masunurin sa mga nakakatanda sa kanya, magkaroon siya ng magandang kinabukasan.
Just hold on, you got a ways to go. Gotta hold your lives to get it right.
Minimum to maximum, raise your line according to your raise line. Pinakamaya sa harap, pinakamatama sa likod. Ilan ang bewang? 23. Ilan ang bewang?
Just begun.
Na makipag-isa po kami sa kasiyahan ng kaarawan ni Dear Kael. Sana po ay ikaw ang tumunghay sa isinasagawa pong pagdiriwang.
Oh, just hold on, we got a ways to go. Happy birthday, don't be scared of feeling wild. Two kids in love, we've only just begun. We just begun. Just begun.